Welcome back to the AAIA question series. If you're preparing for ISACA's Advance in AI Audit, as in AAIA certification, and you want to pass in your first attempt, you're certainly in the right place. In this episode, we're not going to just train your judgment. We are not just going to train your memory because we're going to make you think like an AI auditor. Because the AI exam is completely built around scenarios which require you to understand the risk and controls. And this requires that level of thinking as an auditor. So let's dig into the question of the day. All right, here's the question. A retail organization uses an AI model to forecast inventory based on customer purchasing trends and updates the model quarterly. The model recently failed to recognize a surge in demand during a popular shopping season. Which issue does this situation best demonstrate? Limited data set diversity impacting model training, data drift impacting system forecasting, overfitting issues due to a small training data set, lack of outlier checks in data affecting forecast accuracy. Have a guess and you will discuss the right answer. Alright, let's get into the question again. It is the option A is not correct because this refers to bias or insufficient representation during training. The question doesn't talk anything about missing demographic or behavioral segments or any other thing. It talks about a timing or a change issue. So definitely option A is wrong. Let's look at option C, overfitting due to small training data. Overfitting means that the model is memorized using training data and fails to see or work on unseen new data, right? But here the issue, let's read the question again. The keywords. The keywords are the model is updated quarterly. It failed during a popular shopping season. Demand pattern changed. The model has not adapted to the pattern. This suggested basically that the relationship between the input and the outcomes have changed, right? Seasonal purchasing behavior has shifted. Data distribution has evolved. And typically, this is what we call as data drift or concept drift. So option C is wrong. Option D also is wrong because outliers are an extreme of or anomalous kind of a values. I mean, they are not in the other side. I mean, they are the completely opposite scheme of things. So in a popular shopping season surge is not an outlier. It's a normal, predictable, recurring seasonal pattern, right? So this is not because of that. This is the failure to adapt to the changing pattern and not failure to remove the anomalies. So by virtue of this, data drift is definitely the right answer. You'll have to understand a couple of things. Data drift happens when customer behavior changes, market conditions shift, external variables, basically all are external variables which will be evolving or changing, and our historical data or our data is not reflecting the current reality. And especially because the keyword here they say that the model updates only quarterly, so it is not able to respond quickly for any of these sudden changes. So as an auditor you should remember this again is a weakness. The model frequency has to be checked, how often it is getting updated, how often it is getting validated. All of those things we have to see. Those are the risks and controls which has to be there. So again, the option D is wrong and option B is the right answer. If this question helped you think differently for now preparing for the AAIA exam, make sure you don't stop here because the exam is not just by clearing one video you cannot clear this exam. It is cleared when you are having consistent structured practice of questions and understanding of scenario based answers. And that is exactly what I'm giving you here, right? I'm giving you the options. I'm telling you which option is right or wrong and how you can identify whether it is right or wrong. And if you found value in this particular type of question and the way I explained it, Please like the video because it will help other professionals discover this kind of videos for their own preparations and passing the exam on the first attempt. Comment below with the option you chose, if you got it right or wrong. Even if you got it right, please do comment because I read every comment and your reasoning will matter. Maybe you are having a different reasoning which is making sense. I will have to try to understand that, right? Share this with people who are actually preparing for the exam. Let us raise the standard of AI auditing because this is the future. We are all working towards the future of all the auditors, the new generation of auditors, the existing generation of auditors who will be moving towards that. And most importantly, please do subscribe and follow the entire AAIA question series because there will be questions, there will be new episodes, and every episode is designed to sharpen your judgment one question at a time. So I'll see you on the next question. Thank you once again for your support. Bye.